Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. For you guys that are new here, my name is Erika and I do videos on vlogs, hauls, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe. So today I want to do kind of like a reset for the year. I wanted to do this video earlier, but you guys, I had COVID. So yeah, it was horrible. By the way, I was dying in bed. And I had it for the New Year's and it was just horrible, guys. That stuff is crazy. But anyways, I am feeling much better now, so I will be able to film now, and I wanted to do a reset with you guys. I'm going to start off with cleaning. I just want to clean my room, you know, after being sick. Like, that's the first thing you want to do, is just like clean your room. And what better way to start the year than to have a clean room? So I'm definitely gonna do that, and I'm sorry if my voice is still, you know, getting back to normal. And then I'm also gonna be journaling what are my plans for 2022. I'll be sharing that with you guys, and also what I have planned for this month. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. So guys, I made myself a hot chocolate. My mother-in-law gave me this cup, so just made this hot chocolate just to get this started. So I'm gonna start cleaning now, and little disclaimer, I don't have the coolest room ever, okay? So you know, I know I've seen people have like really cool rooms, and unfortunately mine is not that cool, but I try, and I'm not gonna be living here next year, so I don't feel like there's like a point into like buying new things or like really changing my room. I have like the worst carpet ever. It's disgusting, and the next house I'm living in, it does not have any carpet, so it will be better to watch, I feel. But I'm gonna just try my best because I've been wanting to do this video, and a dirty carpet is not gonna stop me, but I'm just warning you guys. As you guys can see, I have so much clothes, and now I have to like put it away. It's so hard. I need to get rid of a lot of stuff, but I don't know, I feel like I do, and I still have a lot of clothes, so I don't know what to do. Okay guys, so I finished the majority of my room, to be honest. This was a workout. Still a little bit of a mess down there. I have to clean my Jordans because I went to the zoo in them and they got a little dirty. A pile of clothes right there. And also, look what I found. I forgot I had this. but this is for like drinking and stuff. But I don't know, I found it and I was like, oh, there it was. Like, I haven't used this in so long, but it's a good thing that I found it. So yeah, for the most part, everything is all clean. My laptop and my journal are in my bed, but I'm gonna be using that. And my vanity over there. My heater is over there, but it's because it's cold right now. And my TV, and yeah, that's like my whole room pretty much. So I'm gonna clean my mirror because it should be clean like more than I do usually clean it, but I'm gonna clean it right now. Okay, so I'm getting comfortable, got my Starbucks here. So I have this planner and I bought it at TJ Maxx, and I got it for $4.50. And I just think it's so cute. It's pink and it says make it happen, and I also like write down my manifestations in this book. So I highly recommend that, because when you write it down, and I try to say my manifestations every day, I feel like it helps me a lot. This is how January looks. So since we are a little late because I had COVID, like I said, and I was not in the mood to do anything, I usually just cross the days off. I just like to cross the days off just so I know like how many days are left in the month, and that personally helps me. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here you can see that I crossed out all the days due to COVID, sadly, but you know what? It's never too late to start. So I crossed out all the days that are already passed because of January, and again I had COVID, so it kind of sucks, but it's never too late to start anything, and I think a lot of people should know that it's never too late. You can start today, you can start tomorrow, and you'll be good. So what I do, I kind of do like a little to-do list in every day, but obviously I don't know every single day what I'm gonna do. So let's say like today I will write, let me switch the camera. So on the 10th right here, I just do like a bullet, and let's say today I did my video. So I did YT, stands for YouTube video. Wanted to get that done. That's super important. I also worked on my resume. Okay, and also I cleaned my room. I never had good handwriting, I'm sorry. So basically what I do every day, whatever I finish, I just check mark it. So like obviously did a YouTube video, well I'm going to, worked on my resume, check, and clean my room, check. And then when that day is over, I just cross it off, so I know, oh, okay, so I have like about 3 weeks left of the month, you know. And over here I have my to-do list, but I tend to write my video ideas here. So like my first video of January is gonna be my reset 2022 video. And then I know that Wednesday I'm going to have a productive day, so I'm gonna probably vlog. So I don't know what the title is gonna be yet. I'll just put day in my life for now. Day in my life video. So this is kind of what I do for January, like all my video ideas. Obviously there's gonna be some videos that I don't end up doing, but I just like to jot them down. Just kind of like also for February there's another to-do list, and I like to also write my videos for February. So kind of like Valentine's Day, you know, February, my mom's birthday. So basically that's what I do. If you're interested in my vlog that I will be posting, don't forget to subscribe. So anyways, I'm trying to post twice a week, so I will probably be posting this video either today or tomorrow. So once I post, I will write it down tomorrow what my schedule will be if I don't end up finishing. And I also want my posting days to be, for sure on Sundays I want to post every Sunday. So I'm gonna put YouTube video, oh shoot, it wasn't supposed to be there, no. I'll put YouTube video post because most likely I'm not gonna finish today. So that is what I'm doing for tomorrow so far that I know. I probably want to get a workout in, so I'm gonna put workout. And I noticed like when I check off the things I have already have done, it actually helps me, like it makes me feel good at the end of the day that I actually did those things. So I would recommend it, and when the day's over, just cross it off because it's gone, it's never coming back. Wednesday I'm going to do my vlog, so film vlog, and for that vlog I'm getting doing my hair, so I'm excited for that. Also, I need to go to the store and pick up some makeup, and I'll probably see what else I'm gonna do. But so far, those are my plans for Wednesday. Thursday, I'm not sure. Friday, I'm not sure. Saturday, I'm not sure either. And Sunday, I always try to post something. I know I didn't this time because I was sick, but I'm gonna put YouTube. I always put YT for YouTube, a YouTube video. So I don't know if you guys can see. I'm sorry if this is not that great. So basically, those are like my plans. And every Sunday, I'm gonna put YouTube videos just to let me know, like, hey, you need to post. So obviously, as things come up, I will have more plans because I'm just having like Monday and Sunday. And again, I'm trying to post twice a week, but I know I've been a little off. Usually my post days are Wednesdays and Sundays. So I will try to keep that going. You guys, I'm sorry if the lighting is a little dark. It's because it's already nighttime. So I apologize in advance. But so far, this is how it's looking. And I am a very, very, very old school girl. I like to write in journals. I like to write in paper. That's just how I do it. I know everybody loves the like Notion and all that. I want to get good at that, and that will be also a New Year's resolution. And if you guys haven't seen my New Year's resolution video, it will be right here on the top if you're interested. And I list some pretty good goals, so you guys should go check it out. I have a section for my manifestation, what I'm going to manifest for the year. So there's a couple things that actually did happen that I am proud of myself. I passed all my classes, have my degree now. What was another one? I wanted to move in, new place within the next 2 years, which is happening this year so far, so that is good. You know, and I just think it's a good idea for all of you guys to just write down your manifestation, and like when you wake up or before you go to bed, just read it out loud, say it to the universe. That's what I have so far, and I will always keep adding new manifestations that I really want to happen. I really do think it works. So go out, get you a planner or a journal, write it down. It actually, I don't know what it does, but it just makes it like more real. I don't know, but it's just a good feeling just to write it down and just look back at it and be like, wow, like I really like wrote that, you know. Like I bet like in 5 years from now, if I have this, I'm gonna be like, whoa. Finished my hot chocolate, I cleaned my room, I planned out what I am going to do for the week, kind of. More things will come up, I know. Basically, yeah, that's a good way to kind of start this January, even though I started off being sick. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked my little 2022 reset. I hope I helped you guys in any way I could. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video.